Bin wash systems frequently asked questions. Number 1, can I reuse the water? Yes, however, the water must be filtered before you can use it again. Do I need to use chemicals or detergents to clean the bins? No. If you have a hot water pressure washer, the hot water will clean the bins and kill the bacteria, leaving the bins clean and scent-free. Of course, you can use a detergent if you choose to. Just make sure you use one that's non-sudsing. If you don't, you'll have a great video for YouTube. Oh, no! Can I clean dumpsters? Yes. You may require some additional equipment to do it effectively. Can I use my own pressure washer? Yes. You don't have to buy the pressure washer from us. However, we do recommend that you use a pressure washer with at least 4 gallons per minute and hot water. Can I do other pressure washing jobs with the equipment? Yes, there are many jobs you can do with your pressure washing equipment. Bin Wash Systems makes putting together your own bin cleaning truck or trailer an easy do-it-yourself project that's affordable.